everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this is me Shilpa. So today we are going to see an Amazon try-on haul. That is, I have bought a few makeup from Amazon. So we are going to try out all those things right over here. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I make content on Malayalam and such Amazon hauls on English. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button, and also make sure to follow me on my Instagram, that is Unfold with Shilpa. There is a high-end brand, there is affordable brand, and much more are there. So let's try out. So first one, what I have done is I have applied moisturizer and sunscreen on my skin. So just to make the base ready, I'm going to make a very simple and subtle makeup. So let's see how it works. And yes, let's jump into the first product. First one is the Laneige Gummy Bear Lip Balm. I've been planning to get this from a very long time. So this time I got it. This retail for around 699 rupees. I know it is a bit of expensive product, but still I wanted to try it. So I bought it. This is in the flavor Gummy Bear Bonbon Origin. So this is the first one. So let's try it out. Wow. This gives such a glowy finish. If you can see, I haven't applied anything on top of my lips. This is just the thing which I have on my lips right now. This gives such a glossy feel, and also I feel very much moisturized. My lips feel very moisturized right now. So I think this is a good purchase. First impression is really good. Let's go to the next one. This is the Brown HD Concealer. I've been seeing a lot of ads of brown here and there. This is the next one. I haven't tried any of these makeup products before. These are the first time. This is the first time which I am trying it. So let's see. This comes in a really good packaging. This comes in a sort of, this is plasticky, not glass. So, but this looks very pretty and all. It is very much like a travel friendly package. This retail for around 500 and something. I bought it for around 400. So let's try it out. This is in the shade Nutmeg. So I've been buying my makeup products from quite so far, so I know what shades perfectly suit for me, but let's see how it works on my skin right now. It's quite a very close skin tone to mine. I'm just going to apply it on the darker areas. I don't want a full coverage sort of look. I just want a very subtle, minimal sort of look. So I'm just applying on the dark spots. Let's see how this works. I'm not going to use a brush or anything because I want to see how this works, because this is the way I usually do. Brushes are only used while I'm shooting or something. So this is what I wanted to try, because most of the people does not use any brush or something. So yeah, if you have tried this particular concealer before, do let me know in the comment section how it lasts and all. This gives pretty good coverage. I am liking it. This is not boiling up my moisturizer or anything, because certain concealers and foundations just do that. This is giving a really good coverage. Yes, of course. See, just see this. There was a dark spot and that got covered very fast and quick. So yes, this gives a really good coverage. So this is what I usually do. This is what my base routine is usually. I apply moisturizer, then sunscreen, then some concealer. So this is the way it looks like. I liked it, and I liked it. What do you think? So this is approved by me, and let's go around 200 or 300 rupees. So that's what it is. So next in the lot is a eyebrow set. This is from the brand Mars Cosmetics. So this is how it looks like. This comes with eyebrow pencil and also an eyebrow set. This is the Mars eye kit. So yes, let's open it and see. Comes with a mirror and also a bushing sort of brush and also an angular brush. This always happens, okay? So let's try it out. So let me remove the sticker on the mirror. So mirror is pretty good because this is very useful when you're traveling and all. So let's use this. I'm taking the black shade because brown is too light for me. I'm just mixing both of the shades together and then just applying on my eyebrows. The brush is quite nice. I'm liking it because it is precise actually. Most of the time brushes are a bit more thicker, so that causes a very unnatural sort of finish. Eyebrows look like after using the product. This is how my natural eyebrows are. So this is the way I like my eyebrows to be. So let me fill in the other part also. I really like the way my eyebrows look like because I like my eyebrows to be always filled in. So yes, this is how it looks. We have one more product for skin. That is the Love Earth blush. I have been planning to get a blush from really long. I've been using my lipstick as my blush. Whenever I say brush, I'll say blush. Whenever I say blush, I'll say brush. This is a very much tongue twister, guys. So yes, this is how the pot look like. This is a pot of blush. So yeah, let's see how it is. This in the shade Got Your Back, and let's try this out. This comes in a really like a coral shade. You can see I've been using this sort of blushes before also, but then this particular brand I'm trying it for the first time. So let's use this. I'm going to use the blush brush. Again, a lot of tongue twisters are happening over here. This is the shade, if you can see. It's pretty pigmented. I don't know what happened to me today. I'm going to blend it with my hands also because blend it with my fingers, not my hands. Oh my god, I'm in some other world today. It's a really nice shade. It's not like a sticky sort of thing because sometimes blushes will be like a bit more sticky if they are in the creamy texture. So this is sort of good. Put on my nose as well a bit. Just blend it with your fingers. And this looks very pretty, I think. This is how it looks like. This looks very dramatic, but not too dramatic as the one I had before. And it is very easy to use. You just want to apply the liner and then just stick it on. It works really well and I am really liking it. This is how it looks like. This gives a really dramatic sort of thing. If you want to go for a wedding or anything, you can actually use this. And yes, this is not sticking. This is my problem only. I haven't applied the glue over there. So let me finish my other sort of touch-ups, my hair and everything. I'll be right back. This is what my final look is. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this product. If you have used any of these products, make sure to let me know in the comment section. All the links of every product will be given down below in the description box. Do check out Amazon sale right now happening. You will be getting much more discounts, up to 80% on multiple products. So do check it out. And also I'll be back with another video very soon. Till then, this is me Shilpa signing off, and bye bye. Take care, and also do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So bye. Take care, guys.